I would love to show some of those transformations, real life transformations that women have seen with what we offer in our 87 days body, mind and soul program. So these transformations that you are seeing, be it the immense weight release that has happened in 87 days, close to 17-18 kgs, bringing down thyroid numbers, seeing those PCOS, PCOD, belly fat dissolving, or anything in and around it that you are noticing, inclusive of my photo that you would be seeing now, where I was able to work on my hypothyroidism issues, standing at 90 kgs and then bringing my weight down close to 65-66 kgs, has happened because of the approach that we use, which is called the psycho-neuro-immuno-endocrinology. What is PNIE is something that I would love to share, but before that, I would like you to ask yourself, every time you have approached a nutritionist, a dietitian, and have done the plans, have you asked yourself if I'm still working on the surface layer, or am I working on the deep-rooted causes? Deep-rooted causes of why my weight has increased consistently over the course of years, why I have had hormonal fluctuations, why is it that even though I follow a very good diet and do good amount of workouts, my weight doesn't seem to budge, or it is not sustainable. If you have not, you're probably still at the surface layer. These women that you are seeing as images, as transformations, have asked themselves that question. And that has happened with our support, with what we do in our 87 days program as the body, mind and soul approach. So today, if you would like more details around what exactly is body, mind and soul, what exactly is PNIE, psycho-neuro-immuno endocrinology, we are more than happy to share those details across with you. But what we would want you to do is first assess. Take a step back, probably pause this video and ask yourself, do I even know my root cause? Or am I looking haywire, different probably social media platforms, checking with ChatGPT, checking with Google as to what it is that you can do to just work on the surface layer symptoms? And when you have your answer, and in case if you have your answer, you will be pleased to know that when you work on your root cause, all the symptoms that you're talking about, that which you're mentioning and seeing, can be brought to remission, can be reversed. And for you to do that, comment call in the comment section. We will reach out and then support you through that root cause analysis call, wherein we will let you know what it is that has helped all of these women whose transformation you have seen, and how you can be one of them as well. Are you booking in that call with us? I am Purnima Peri, hormonal health coach, working with the concept of body, mind and soul, soul first, and would love to see you inside of that call and or the programs, working deep rooted with your transformation. Chat soon.